guys, for today's video kakain tayo ng Maha Blanca by Chef Cito Umancito, and then the black coffee from Mindanao, pasalubong, native black coffee. Ayan guys, commercial break. Guys, ang ating Maha Alasito. Wow, look like yummy yummy. Wow. And then meron tayo dito ang black coffee from Mindanao, pasalubong, native coffee. Wow, yummy yummy. Wow, creamy Maha. Ayan guys, first bite, Maha. Sarap, number 1. Number 1 Maha. Napaka-creamy niya na guys. Sarap. Si Chef Lito ang nagluto nito. Sito. Ayan guys, salamat sa panonood. Thank you for watching. Salamat, syukran. Nagyaman. See you in my next vlog.